What is up, guys? Welcome back to another review here. Today we're going to get the number 40 PlanBSales.com ride from NASCAR Motorsports of Trevor Bayne from the 2020 Truck Series. So good to get another truck, good to get a PlanBSales ride, and good to get Trevor Bayne back. So here we go. Chevy Silverado nose, PlanBSales logo, Gander RV and Outdoors, Truck Series, white tire rim going on, 40 down the side, PlanBSales, Mobile 1, Trevor Bayne, some more of his sponsors going on. Got the rookie straps going on. Number 40, Chevy Silverado. Again, Chevrolet, PlanBSales all over the place here. And that black 40 going. PlanBSales.com. Mobile 1. Trevor Bayne again. The 40. The nice red, white, and blue ride. So again, good to get a truck, good to get a PlanBSales truck, and good to get Trevor Bayne back in the sport of NASCAR. So we're going to bring out a comparison here. So we got the number 40 Ross Chastain PlanBSales and the watermelon ride here that we will review a little bit later on down the road. But we're going to get both of them going with the 40, both of them going with the PlanBSales sponsor there. The black 40. Both of them NASCAR Motorsports number 40 Chevrolets going on. Both good looking, of course. So we'll back this one up. One more look around here. Again, PlanBSales, a nice place to get your diecast. I'm loving all the white on this ride. Going really good with the blue and the red and the black 40. It looks good too. So there we go. Another one down. For the number 40, Trevor Bayne, PlanBSales, Chevrolet from the Truck Series in 2020 for NASCAR Motorsports. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks again.